Alright guys, if you love to see how I fix this tiny gold teeth, then keep watching. Do not skip so that you won't miss any single step of fixing this lovely tiny gold teeth. Let's get into the tutorial. So guys, first thing, you wash your hand. After washing your hand, you wear your glove. Please make sure you wash your hand and wear your glove. If you are using ordinary hand, is not hygienic. Wash your hand, then you wear your glove. After that, here right with me, I have my plier, I have my hydrogen peroxide to sterilize the teeth, the tiny gold teeth, and the plier as well. So you pour the hydrogen peroxide inside the tiny gold teeth, then you mix it with your plier. Make sure you sterilize your plier before using. Make sure you sterilize it. Yes. So after that, you take one pieces of the tiny gold teeth, then you fix it where you want it to be, like the position that you want to fix it. Then you make sure the tiny gold teeth enter in between the gum and the teeth. Then you use your plier just to press it down to make it look beautiful, and that's what I've done here right now. So I'm moving on to another side because I'll be fixing 3 pieces of tiny gold teeth, 2 gold and 1 silver. Can you see guys? Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. My returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always tuning into this channel. Thanks for your love and support. Thank you so very much. So guys, can you see I'm done with the first one and the second one? So I'll be moving on to the third side, which is I'll be fixing silver. Can you make sure the tiny gold teeth is firm? Use your plier to press it well to make it firm, to avoid it coming out while you are trying to brush the teeth. So guys, please let me know in the comment section if you guys love this video, and if this video is helpful to you guys, please let me know in the comment section. Give the video a big thumbs up, share to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. So guys, this is the final look of the tiny gold teeth. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all.